How to turn off eBay notifications. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to turn off eBay notifications. So first thing first, just head over to your eBay application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in with my account. Now simply head over to my eBay section from the bottom navigation bar and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is settings. So simply tap on this settings, which is under the account option, and once you're inside here you can see there is the option that is notifications. So simply tap on that, and currently if your notifications are also grayed out, that is because your Android has disabled all of the notifications externally. So you can see there is option that is all push notifications, so it's currently disabled. So when this preference is turned off, you won't receive any eBay push notifications. So in your case, if you have enabled like this, you can also uncheck every single one of the items from over here, such as item updates, item endings, action updates, offer updates, etc. manually. And if you want every single options or notifications to be disabled, you can just disable it from over here as well. And the other way around it, you can just long press on that particular app and just click on I button and simply head over to your notification sections, and you can simply disable if you do not want any notifications to be alive. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.